Monty from Monty's Ham. Now this is a crepe batter that we made earlier this morning. You just pour a very small amount of the batter and then you quickly move your nonstick around to create a very thin crepe. You can easily see that the thing has gotten cooked. And now we're going to flip it over. Use your spatula, flip it over. Whoops. You have this beautiful brown crepe. Now that crepe, you can pile these on top of each other. They will not stick. They don't have to be warm because what you're going to be putting into the center of the crepe, the beautiful egg, ham, cheese mixture, is really all you need. I have a little tip for you for scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are the easiest thing on earth to make if you follow these very simple rules. Don't put any liquid in it. Don't add any butter. Don't add any cream. Don't add anything at all to your scrambled eggs. I'm making 4 eggs. We're going to use 2 eggs for each of our crepes. And we're just going to simply, very simply, beat them up. Now the secret here is very simple. Low and slow. What I'm doing here is you continually stir the scrambled eggs. It doesn't take that long. Remember, you're on a very low heat. But if you just keep doing this while they coagulate, don't sit and let them burn on the bottom. Just let them cook gently. And this is going to take you a minute. This isn't going to be, like 2 seconds here. But what you're going to have is the most delicious egg that has a lot of character. It doesn't have any milk flavor or cream flavor to it. Their scrambled eggs are a little drier, and some people like them a little moister. I'm on the moist half of the spectrum. So I'm going to take these out now so we can have these ready to go into our beautiful crepe. Now we're going to fill our crepe. We're going to fill it with the scrambled eggs we just made, our beautiful ham, and some grated cheddar cheese. We also have some salsa I'm going to top it with to make it look especially pretty. So you have to decide whether you want to use the brown side of your crepe or the less cooked underside. I think the brown side looks terrific, so I put the brown side in the middle of put the brown side down and in the middle of the table, in the middle of the plate. Now I'm taking half the egg and I'm putting it very much in the middle of the crepe because then I'm going to add first my beautiful grated cheddar cheese. Then these are my little pieces of ham. The ham goes right along the bridge, right along the egg. And now we're going to take this, fold one side into the other, one side into the other. And now, to top our crepe off, we're going to put some beautiful fresh salsa. By the way, if you feel intimidated about making crepes, I think we showed you how terrifically easy it is to do. I think this looks absolutely beautiful. But if you feel intimidated by making crepes, a soft flour tortilla is a great substitute. You just heat it a little bit, do your scrambled eggs, put them all together, and top it with salsa. I'm Monty, and this is Monty's Ham's idea of the perfect breakfast crepe.